Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. 2 weeks ago I ordered Black & Decker hand tool kit, this one, and now I've received the package, this from Amazon, and so I'm gonna unbox it and let's see what's inside. Come on. Okay, so this one, let's see. Ta-da! Ta-da, ta-da! So let's give us this one. 108 pieces hand tool set. So these are the pieces that contains inside the box. And so, see, Black & Decker. Dun, ta-da! This is the Allen key here. Okay, now let's see whether we have got all the pieces or not. One pliers is missing. Okay, according to the advertise, they've shown in the picture. Yeah, one pliers is missing. And then hammer, okay. This one should be here. Alright, I've got this one. Okay, torch. One pliers is missing. Anyway, no problem. I'm satisfied with the product. This one, this hammer. Ooh. Nice. What about this? Okay. And this torch, do we have battery inside? There's no battery. Okay. Okay, so I'm satisfied with the product, but one pliers is missing. So for this, I think I have to give only 3 stars. For the product, 4.5 stars. But since this is missing, let me give 3 stars. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.